As the Alex-Murdaugh case reaches the South Carolina Supreme Court in just a couple of days, there is renewed public interest and cameras that will be, yes, inside the courtroom. But unlike a trial, justices carefully control how the public sees these proceedings. So we sat down with USC's media law expert Eric Robinson to explain how that works.
At the Supreme Court level, there's obviously going to be intense interest in this particular case, but the court, and they did it at the trial court too, will control how the media presence in the courtroom. And the Supreme Court already live streams their arguments online. The cameras are recessed, they're in little cubbies and things like that, so you can't tell which camera is on, you can't tell where it's pointing, and it is actually a pretty good system.
And now the court says that those controls help ensure transparency without influencing the legal process.
And WLTX, as you covered on February 11th, right before oral arguments begin. Starting at 7 o'clock in the morning on WLTX Plus, criminal defense experts, they're going to be joining our teams live in the studio, and they're staying throughout the day and into the night, breaking down all the key components inside the Supreme Court and keeping you updated on what to expect next.